Hello everyone, I am Dr. Muhammad Aslam and I am currently working in BBS IPAS, Greater Noida. So today I will give you idea about the topic bioavailability. The bioavailability is the term which is commonly used in our field, pharmacy. Almost every branch we use these terms bioavailability. The term bioavailability itself is made from two words. This is bio and availability. The one word bio, it denotes the biological and availability is availability. So bioavailability gives us idea about the biological availability of any substance. As we are the student of pharmacy, we will say that substance is drug. So bioavailability gives us idea about the biological availability of the drug. What is the meaning of biological availability? The biological availability means the real availability of the drugs. The real availability of the drugs, how can we define that? What is the real availability of the drugs? The real availability of the drugs will be defined that the drug which absorb into our body, because it is a conventional thinking that the drug which absorb inside our body will be available to the body for its action. So biological availability means the availability of the drug after absorption. So bioavailability will give us idea about the absorption of the drug. So how much drug is absorbed inside our body, this will be given idea about by the terms bioavailability. So the absorption is the term which we use in pharmacokinetics. It is the meaning the absorption, it means the drugs which reaches into the blood plasma. The drug which reaches into blood plasma will be the real absorption of the drug or the biological availability of the drugs. The drugs which reaches into the blood plasma, we also know it by the term systemic circulation. So we can say that the drug which reaches into the systemic circulation will be called as bioavailability. We can also say that the amount of drug which reaches into the systemic circulation will be called as bioavailability. Further, we can modify this definition that rate and extent of drug absorption will be known as bioavailability. So we can define that bioavailability is the measurement of absorption which gives us idea about the rate and extent of absorption. The rate means how much the drugs take time to absorption, and extent means the how much drug amount is absorbed into the body or come into the systemic circulation. So we can say that the fraction of drug which reaches into the systemic circulation will be called as bioavailability. We can also say that fraction of drug reaches into systemic circulation, fraction of drug reaches into the systemic circulation will be called as bioavailability. So this is the interesting point that fraction, generally the first letter of fraction F is used to denote bioavailability. So we can simply denote F as bioavailability of the drug. So when we can write or derive this bioavailability, we can say that F is amount of drug reaches into systemic circulation divided by total amount of drug. So we can say that bioavailability, we can simply formulate this bioavailability into F equal to amount of drug reaches into systemic circulation divided by the total amount of drug. We can say that we can say this total amount of drug is the dose of the drug which we taken before absorption. So this is simply can be denoted as, or we can say that dose of the drug. So we can now easily write F equal to AUC divided by dose of the drug, where F equal to AUC divided by dose of the drug. AUC is also called as area under curve, that means the drug which comes into systemic circulation divided by dose. In the term of absorption, we can also write F equal to drug reaches after absorption divided by drug amount of drug before absorption. So the term bioavailability is biological availability, and biological availability means the idea, this gives the idea about the absorption of drug, and we know what is the meaning of absorption of drug, the amount of drug which reaches to the blood plasma or systemic circulation. This is called as absorption. So we can simplify, or we can get more idea that bioavailability is the measurement of absorption of drug. We can also say that this bioavailability gives us idea that rate and extent of drug of absorption. Rate means in how much time the drug reaches into the systemic circulation, and extent means how much amount of drug reaches into the systemic circulation. We can also simplify this bioavailability terms into the definition fraction of drug reaches into systemic circulation. The interesting point is that the first letter from fraction F is used to denote the bioavailability, and we can say the F bioavailability equal to, when we try to formulate it in a formula, we can say that F equal to amount of drug which is into systemic circulation divided by total amount of drug, and we know that the total amount of drug is also the term, we can say that it is the total amount of the drug which we take before the absorption or through oral route. So this is F equal to, we can simply write as AUC divided by rho. AUC is called as area under the curve, which denotes absorption of the drug, and dose is the dose of the drug. Another formula we can say F equal to drug reaches after absorption divided by amount of drug before absorption. So this is about the bioavailability. This is the simple idea about the bioavailability. So we can further take it in advance.